Hey guys, welcome back to Easy Tech Tutorials and Softwares. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build backlinks to your YouTube videos, all with just one click of a button. There is no posting on different sites needed, okay, on tons of different sites. It's all going to be very easy. All you need is the URL of your video. Okay, right click your video, get the URL, paste it in the platform, okay, and then let it generate backlinks for you on complete autopilot. Okay, if that sounds interesting to you, then watch this video all the way till the end, because I'm going to be showing you 4 free platforms to build backlinks on autopilot for your YouTube videos. If you like videos of free softwares, downloads and tutorials, then subscribe to my channel or check out any of my older uploads, as they will all provide immense value to you in your online business. Okay, so if you want your videos to start ranking well on YouTube and on Google as well, then you will need to look at building backlinks. Okay, YouTube will start building backlinks to your videos over time as you grow on the platform, okay, but YouTube, like any other site, even like Google, is just a normal website, and backlinks can actually help your videos rank well. As you can see, with this is my other channel. With this channel, when I started uploading backlinks, you can see that I have been getting consistent views over time, okay, with this channel. Some of my videos have even gotten over 1,000 views just by using backlinks, and I do not actually frequently upload on the specific channel which I'm showing you now, okay. I upload very rarely, but my videos still get views. The channel is growing consistently. Within the 5 months that I haven't really been posting so much, okay, I have actually grown up to 200 and almost 250 subscribers. Okay, now how backlinks basically works is giving your content or website authority. Now this will also count for your videos, as YouTube will see, actually Google will see that your video is being shared on multiple platforms, and it will take it as your video as the authority on that specific subject. Okay, now without getting into much technical detail about backlinks and building backlinks, let's just get into the platforms here. So the first one, and my most favorite one, is backlinker.net. Okay, yes, this is the name right here. Now backlinker.net gives you the option to build backlinks, okay, to any of your YouTube videos or articles. I would rather maybe just say use all of these platforms just for your videos, as some of these domains can have a high spam score, and Google may not actually take them seriously for a website. So a website, I would rather just let it run complete autopilot within the search algorithm for Google, but YouTube videos are no different story. Now going back to Backlinker, you can actually build backlinks to over 2,500 high quality backlinks, and then another 100 premium quality backlinks. Now I usually do both of these, but most of the time when I'm lazy, I just choose the premium sites, okay. Not all of them will automatically create, as some of these sites may have revoked their access from Backlinker and may require you to go link your video from them to your video, some link juice, all manually, but the process still remains the same. It takes up like 3 to 5 minutes for it to start with the linking process, and your backlinks can be built anytime from 1 to 5 months. Yes, it does take time for backlinks to build. They build it all naturally. Even though it's on autopilot, it still gets added naturally to those directories. Okay, the second platform I like is PrePost. PrePost gives you a backlink generator. They have got tons of other free tools that you can use on here for absolutely free, which you do not even need to pay for. You can check broken links, link trackers, okay, broken backlink trackers, and all of those. But the primary feature for this video, the primary topic, is building backlinks. I also just get your domain, the link of your video, okay, the URL, paste it in right here and then make backlinks. Okay, it will show you which ones have been submitted, okay, or in the process of being submitted. Okay, and you can also come back maybe after a month or two and then just check how many links have been built to your video. Okay, because they also give you the link tracker tool, or the link count checker will show you, or the backlink checker will show you how many backlinks are pointing back to your videos if you want that information for yourself. Okay, another site, the third one, is Semify. Now Semify will help you find bloggers which will link back to your videos. Now unlike these other ones, they just submit to basically websites that give you permission to do it. Okay, here you will get bloggers which will see if your video or content fits with their sites, and they'll link back to you, embed their videos on your videos on their websites, and that way you will not just get more traffic or views, okay, but you will also get better rankings within YouTube and also on the Google homepage. Now the last one is going to be PrePost SEO. Okay, and it works more or less the same as Backlink Checker. Okay, but you can also do more or less the same thing here as with the Backlinker and with Backlink Checker. All you do is paste your URL in here, and it will generate backlinks for you on complete autopilot. Okay, that is how awesome this is. Okay, you don't have to use all of these sites if you don't want to. Okay, if you are consistent with your YouTube channel and your content is consistent with your niche, then YouTube will automatically start ranking you within the platform. Okay, but building backlinks cannot hurt, and it does help to building future authority for your channel on the platform. Okay, so I hope this video has actually helped you guys out, and I hope you've written down all these websites. Okay, and then it will actually help you guys in the future, and you should make use of this as there are services which require you to pay for backlinks, and they can become very expensive. Now this is just to help you guys out who are starting out with your YouTube channels. Okay, you have no idea how to build backlinks. Okay, and I really hope that this will work for you, and you actually use this on a consistent basis for each video you upload. You don't have to use all 4 sites, use all 4 if you want to, but I just mainly use these 2. Okay, one of these 2 at a time, and I still see success with this channel, as you can see. Okay, I still get views. Okay, and the same can happen for you. Okay, so if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you have not yet done so, and I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.